The housefly, scientifically known as Musca domestica, is one of the most common and widespread insects found in human dwellings around the world. This small, ubiquitous fly is recognized by most people due to its tendency to hover around food, garbage, and unsanitary environments. Despite its prevalence, the housefly's biology, behavior, and interaction with human environments are far more complex and fascinating than one might expect from such a seemingly insignificant creature. From its life cycle to its role in disease transmission, the housefly is a highly adaptable organism that thrives in human-modified environments, making it one of the most successful and enduring species in the world. Houseflies are typically about 6 to 7 millimeters in length, with a body that is characterized by its grayish or blackish coloration and slightly hairy exterior. The housefly's body is divided into three main parts: the head, thorax, and abdomen. The head houses large compound eyes, which provide the fly with a wide field of vision, allowing it to detect movement and evade predators. Houseflies are known for their exceptional vision, which is key to their survival, as they can perceive even the slightest motion. They also have simple eyes, or ocelli, which help them detect light intensity and maintain balance during flight. On the head, the housefly also has two antennae that are sensitive to both chemical and physical stimuli, helping it navigate its environment and find food sources. The thorax of a housefly is equipped with 3 pairs of legs and 2 wings, making it highly mobile and capable of quick movements. The legs are covered with tiny hairs, which help the fly sense changes in its environment, and are equipped with structures that allow it to grip onto surfaces. The housefly's wings are transparent and have a distinctive vein structure that helps with flight control. Flies are remarkable flyers, capable of hovering in place, making rapid directional changes, and even flying backward. Their ability to fly quickly and change directions at will makes them particularly difficult to swat or catch. The housefly's feeding habits are one of the most interesting aspects of its biology. Houseflies are considered to be generalist feeders, meaning they can feed on a wide variety of substances, ranging from decaying organic matter to sugary liquids. This diet makes them highly adaptable and capable of living in a wide range of environments, including homes, restaurants, farms, and garbage dumps. Houseflies feed by regurgitating digestive enzymes onto their food, breaking it down externally, and then sucking up the liquefied material through their specialized mouthparts. This method of feeding is known as external digestion, and it allows houseflies to consume a wide range of organic materials that might otherwise be inaccessible. Houseflies are often seen feeding on food scraps, animal waste, and even rotting carcasses, making them important decomposers in the ecosystem. The ability of houseflies to feed on decaying organic matter has significant implications for human health. Houseflies are not only attracted to food and waste but also to substances like feces, sewage, and carcasses, where they pick up bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens. When they land on food or surfaces inside homes, they can transfer these harmful microorganisms, spreading diseases and contributing to unsanitary conditions. Houseflies are known to transmit a wide range of diseases, including foodborne illnesses such as salmonella, cholera, and E. coli infections. They can also spread pathogens responsible for respiratory infections, such as tuberculosis and anthrax. The role of houseflies as vectors of disease makes them an important pest in both public health and hygiene concerns. The life cycle of a housefly is relatively short, typically lasting around 2 to 4 weeks, depending on environmental conditions. The housefly undergoes a complete metamorphosis, meaning it passes through 4 distinct stages: egg, larva, maggot, pupa, and adult. Female houseflies can lay up to 500 eggs during their lifetime, usually in clusters of 100 or more. These eggs are typically deposited in decaying organic material, such as garbage, animal waste, or rotting food, which provides a rich food source for the larvae once they hatch. The eggs hatch into larvae, commonly known as maggots, which are legless, white, and cylindrical in shape. Maggots feed voraciously on the decaying organic matter, growing rapidly over a few days before they pupate. The pupal stage is a transitional period during which the maggots undergo metamorphosis into adult houseflies. Inside the pupa, the maggot's body undergoes significant changes, transforming into the recognizable adult fly. After a period of several days to a week, depending on temperature and humidity, the adult fly emerges from the pupal casing. Upon emerging, the adult fly is fully functional and capable of flight, allowing it to begin the cycle anew. The ability of houseflies to reproduce rapidly and produce large numbers of offspring in a short amount of time contributes to their success as a species, as it allows them to maintain large populations in areas where food and breeding sites are abundant. The housefly's reproductive habits are another important aspect of its life cycle. Mating typically occurs shortly after the adult flies emerge, with males competing for the attention of females. Mating is often accompanied by complex courtship behaviors, in which the male will perform various movements and actions to attract a mate. Once a female has mated, she will begin to lay eggs, often in multiple locations, ensuring that her offspring have access to a sufficient food source. Female houseflies are capable of storing sperm from multiple males, and they can fertilize their eggs with sperm from different males, increasing genetic diversity in their offspring. Houseflies are known for their ability to thrive in human environments, especially in areas with abundant food sources and waste materials. Their presence in homes and buildings is typically seen as a nuisance, and their attraction to food and waste makes them particularly troublesome in kitchens and dining areas. However, their presence is also an indication of poor sanitation, as houseflies are often associated with dirty or unsanitary conditions. To prevent housefly infestations, it is important to maintain clean living environments, regularly dispose of trash, and ensure that food is stored properly. Fly traps and screens can also be used to help keep houseflies out of homes and businesses, although these measures are not always entirely effective in eliminating the problem. The housefly's ability to adapt to human environments is a testament to its resilience and evolutionary success. Over the years, houseflies have developed mechanisms to evade predators and human attempts at control. Their rapid reproduction rate and ability to thrive in a wide range of environments make them a challenge to control. Insecticides are often used to manage housefly populations, but the widespread use of chemical treatments has led to the development of resistance in some populations. Additionally, the use of insecticides can have unintended environmental consequences, including the harm of non-target organisms, such as beneficial insects, birds, and aquatic life. This has led to growing interest in alternative methods of fly control, such as biological control, which involves using natural predators or parasites to reduce fly populations. One of the natural predators of houseflies is the parasitic wasp, which lays its eggs on the larvae of the fly. The developing wasp larvae feed on the fly larvae, effectively reducing the number of houseflies in a given area. Other potential biological controls include the use of nematodes, which can infect and kill fly larvae in the soil. While these methods are still being explored, they offer a more sustainable approach to managing housefly populations without the harmful effects of chemical insecticides. Houseflies have a long history of association with human societies. They are often considered pests, but they have also been featured in literature, folklore, and popular culture. The phrase, "a fly in the ointment," is a common expression that refers to a small problem that ruins something otherwise good, highlighting the nuisance that houseflies can cause. In some cultures, houseflies are seen as symbols of decay and disease, while in others, they are regarded as a necessary part of the natural world, helping to break down organic matter and recycle nutrients back into the ecosystem. Despite their negative reputation, houseflies play a crucial role in the food chain, serving as prey for various predators, including birds, amphibians, and other insects. In conclusion, the housefly is a remarkable and highly adaptable insect that plays an important role in both human environments and ecosystems. Its ability to feed on a wide range of organic materials, its rapid reproductive cycle, and its role as a disease vector make it both a nuisance and a significant public health concern. However, houseflies also serve as important decomposers, contributing to the breakdown of organic matter and helping to maintain ecological balance. While they are often considered pests, their resilience and ability to thrive in human environments make them a testament to the adaptability of life in urban and rural settings alike. As we continue to study and learn more about houseflies, we gain a greater understanding of the complex interactions between humans and the insect world, highlighting the need for effective pest control and the importance of maintaining sanitary environments to reduce the risks associated with these ubiquitous insects.